Good morning, this is Paul. Pretty overcast, pretty chilly day today. We're in the middle of winter and I'm about to show you a convertible. However, I think this car is actually a car for all seasons, and I'm just going to show you why. Here is a 2017 Bentley Continental GTC V8S. I'd like to show you around. So the reason I say that this is an all-weather car is because this car has a four-wheel drive, a very capable four-wheel drive system. So not only does it give you an awful lot of grip on the road, it gives you good grip in very slippery circumstances. It's a very well planted car, very well behaved, very nicely designed. And although I've got the roof down, when the roof is up, it has lots of different layers. It's a very nicely insulated roof, so it holds the heat very well. Now the colour, it's Nardo Grey, which isn't a colour that you'd normally associate with Bentley, but I think just looking around the car, if you look at the Nardo Grey and then the contrast with the black detailing around the wheels, the lower black on the sill panels, and then little chrome flashes, and then you've got the black on the door mirrors, and then you've got some chrome surround, I think the overall effect with the contrast makes this car look really good. I think that's a really pretty car. And of course the V8S is very powerful. This is not a slouch by any stretch of the imagination. It's comfortable, it's very quick, it's got huge amounts of grip, and it's very well built. You can see at the front there, you've got the black matrix style grills with the chrome surround. The matrix style grille is this section here, and then you've got the chrome surrounder, which I think gives it a nice bit of detailing. You've got the lower black mesh grills as well, so you've got a big engine in there. It's a lot of power, takes a reasonable amount of cooling, and just tucked in underneath there you can see there are radiators behind all of the ducts, so they're all there for a very good reason. It's got these big diamond cut wheels that you can see, very nice. Now I'm going to move to the interior, and what you've got here is it's a Beluga, which is the Bentley's version of black or anthracite, and this one has got the quilted sections in the center of the seats, and then you can also see the quilted sections of the door panels. And then you can also see, if you look at this cross stitching here, the cross stitching is in a colour called linen, so it's a contrast cross stitching, and this is all stitched by hand. You don't find that very often in a car. So what that gives this is it gives you a nice sort of a human element in terms of the car build. Attention to detail. Just moving to the center console, you can see there you've got heated and air conditioned or vented seats. Both sides there, you've got adjustable shock absorbers, and you've got the button there which lifts the hood up and down. Obviously your gear change, your navigation screen and what have you. I love that, the Bentley brightening clock in the center console. Now if I just jump in, mileage current reading is 28,958. So foot on the brake, leaps into life, nice V8 purple, engine sounds lovely, several keys in the vehicle, keys are just tucked in there. So, and you can see here with these keys, you've also got a tracking device, so you've got tracker cards which are just located in these lovely Bentley wallets, two of them there you can see. Now, if I just close the door and pop into reverse, you'll see that the camera pops up. So you've got a nice clear camera. Not only that, but you've got this display here as well. So you can see if you're closing in on something, you can see which direction it's coming from, and so you can navigate tight parking spots in the rain or in the dark or what have you with no problem whatsoever. Just turn that off. Now these seats, as well as having diamond quilting, they're also perforated, and they're perforated for good reason. And that's because if you look here, you can see that you've got your seat adjustments here. Now the car's literally just come and had a quick wash and a hoover because we've got a few cars to get through today. But you've got a massage function here, but you've also got a cooling seat, so you can see there. And here, there's a vent, and that is a neck warmer. So you press the button for the neck warmer, and that blows a nice warm air over your neck while you're driving, so you can really drive this car all year round, even if it's cold, and it keeps you nice and warm. So I hope you like the car. I hope you like the video and you find the video useful. If you'd like to know more about the car, please visit our website, which is www.clinkardcars.co.uk. Thanks for watching.